7 Lemon Miracles for your liver and body. Today, we'll dive into the world of lemons, this common citrus fruit, but packed with secrets and benefits for our health. Did you know that lemon can be a great ally, not only for your immunity, but also for the health of your liver, and even in the fight against aging? That's right. In this video, we will explore how you can use lemon in ways you may never have imagined. The way you consume lemon can directly affect the benefits it brings to your health. And more. Have you ever wondered if there is a type of lemon considered the best among all available? Lastly, imagine discovering a perfect combination that enhances the effects of lemon to clear the fat from your liver and boost your overall health. Curious? Then stay with me until the end of this video, as I will reveal all this and much more, including essential tips for those with gastritis or fungal problems. Let's discover the secrets of lemon and how it can be a powerful ally in your health routine. Let's go! The benefits of lemon. The best thing about lemon is that it's cheap, easy to find, and has amazing benefits for your health. Just smelling its aroma makes us feel good, right? Drinking lemon water daily is beneficial for health, but it's crucial to consume it correctly and be aware of the involved risks. Natural lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, essential for health, but only if it's fresh, since heating during industrial pasteurization destroys most of its nutrients, including vitamin C. Thus, to enjoy its benefits, it's important to use natural lemon. A single lemon can provide about half of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C, highlighting the importance of choosing the natural form over the industrialized version to ensure the intake of essential nutrients. Why is vitamin C important? Vitamin C is essential for strengthening the immune system and fighting infections, besides being crucial in preventing gingival bleeding and in collagen formation, which contributes to vascular health and skin, preventing the appearance of spider vein-like blood vessels and broadly protecting vessels, among other significant health benefits. Now I will show you the 7 miracles of lemon for your liver and body. 1. Improves blood circulation. Lemon water, rich in phytonutrients like naringin, a substance found in citrus fruits that gives lemon its bitter taste, significantly benefits blood circulation. Besides its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, naringin is being studied as a potential treatment for Alzheimer's disease. This makes the drink particularly useful for people suffering from hemorrhoids, leg ulcers, and circulatory problems. 2. Reduction of fat in the liver. Drinking lemon water can be an ally in the fight against fatty liver disease, a problem where the liver becomes excessively fatty due to the phytonutrients present in lemon that combat fat accumulation. Additionally, lemon water helps to improve bile flow, facilitating the removal of excess lipids from the body. However, it's crucial to understand that the effectiveness of lemon water does not exclude the need for significant personal effort, including adopting a low-sugar diet. This set of measures can effectively contribute to reducing liver fat, promoting a more balanced liver health. 3. Improves weight loss. Drinking lemon water is beneficial for weight loss, acting indirectly and effectively when combined with a balanced diet and physical exercises. Lemon has the ability to moderate blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance, which is essential for those looking to lose weight. This effect is particularly useful as the key to effective weight loss lies in lowering insulin levels, a process in which lemon excels. Therefore, although it does not replace the need for healthy eating habits and regular physical activity, adding lemon to water can be a valuable strategy for those looking to optimize their weight loss efforts. 4. Slows down aging. Did you know that lemon can combat aging? Lemon has been pointed out by animal research as an ally in the fight against aging, suggesting that this benefit could extend to humans. Preliminary results show a modest increase in longevity of 3 weeks. This raises the exciting possibility that drinking lemon water could be a simple and accessible practice for those looking to live longer. Although more studies are needed to confirm these effects in humans, the idea of being able to prolong life in this way is truly fascinating. 5. Improves the gut. Lemon is known for its multiple benefits to gut health, mainly due to its richness in vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and its antimicrobial properties, which combat pathogenic bacteria. Furthermore, The citric acid present in lemon stimulates the production of gastric acid, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. Pectin, a soluble fiber found in the lemon peel, acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the healthy intestinal microbiota. Interestingly, despite its acidity, lemon has an alkalizing effect on the body post-digestion, helping to balance intestinal pH. Lemon intake also promotes hydration, essential for the health of the digestive mucosa and to prevent constipation, reinforcing its role as a powerful ally for digestive health. 6. Fights kidney stones. Lemon is effective against kidney stones due to its high concentration of citric acid, which increases citrate levels in the urine, preventing the aggregation of mineral crystals that form stones. Citrate also binds to calcium, reducing the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, the most common type of kidney stone. Additionally, consuming lemon promotes hydration, leading to more diluted urine and decreasing the likelihood of stone formation. Drinking lemon water regularly can help prevent new stones, becoming a simple and natural preventive measure for those susceptible to this condition. 7. Inhibits cancer. Lemon possesses properties that may contribute to cancer inhibition thanks to its richness in antioxidant compounds like vitamin C, flavonoids, and limonoids. These antioxidants combat free radicals, reducing DNA damage and the risk of cancerous mutations. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties can decrease inflammation, a known factor in cancer development. Limonoids, specifically, are capable of promoting apoptosis in cancer cells, preventing their multiplication. Research indicates that lemon can also restrict metastasis and strengthen the immune system, while increasing the activity of detoxifying enzymes, aiding in the elimination of carcinogens. Despite these promising findings, additional studies are essential to fully validate the anti-cancer potential of lemon. Now, how to choose a good lemon to consume. Generally, lemon is available year-round in supermarkets. The two most common types of lemon in the United States are the following: Tahiti lemon, Citrus latifolia. Known as Persian lime in the United States, it is widely popular due to its versatility, thin peel, few or no seeds, and a relatively mild flavor. It's a common ingredient in recipes, drinks, and as a garnish due to its consistency and ease of use. Tahiti lemon is particularly favored in the preparation of cocktails, seasonings, and as a citrus complement in various dishes. When choosing the lemon variety you prefer, opt for the lemon with the thinnest, shiniest, and smoothest peel possible, because this means it is juicier. Choose a riper lemon, avoiding one that is still green, wrinkled, and hard. It's desirable that you seek to consume an organic lemon to avoid pesticides or other harsh chemicals to the body. Eureka lemon. This type of lemon is very common in the USA and is known for its constant production throughout the year, making it available in all seasons. It has a thick peel and a quite acidic flavor, being used both in cooking and other domestic applications, such as cleaning and hygiene products. Eureka lemon is often found in supermarkets and is a popular choice for daily use in recipes and drinks. How should you use lemon? The simplest way is to add lemon juice to a glass of water and consume it in this manner. Can it be consumed every day? Drinking the juice of a lemon in a glass is a practice that can be incorporated into the routine without problems. However, it's crucial to be aware of any digestive discomforts that may arise, as excess lemon can be harmful. In this case, seeking guidance from a trusted health professional becomes essential. Additionally, although many people enjoy adding lemon to tea, it's important to consider that vitamin C is heat sensitive and can be degraded in hot liquids. Therefore, it's recommended to add lemon to tea only after it has cooled, thus avoiding the consumption of hot water with lemon to preserve the nutritional benefits of lemon. Lemon and green tea. The combination of lemon with green tea is highly beneficial for health, thanks to the ability of citric acid, found in lemon, to increase the preservation of phytonutrients in the tea by up to 5 times. This effect is particularly notable in catechins, compounds present in green tea, known for their exceptional therapeutic properties. Adding lemon to room temperature green tea not only preserves, but also enhances the benefits of catechins, optimizing their healthy properties. To enjoy these benefits, it's recommended to squeeze half a lemon into a cup of room temperature green tea. This practice is especially recommended after meals, as an aid to digestion, offering a delicious and effective way to incorporate these beneficial nutrients into your daily diet. Lemon and apple cider vinegar. The mixture of lemon with apple cider vinegar is highly beneficial for health, combining vitamin C, antioxidants, and probiotics to strengthen the immune system, promote gut health, and fight inflammation. This combination aids in digestion, has alkalizing properties that balance the body's pH, and can even assist in weight loss by increasing satiety and metabolism. Additionally, it offers antimicrobial effects, improves cardiovascular health and skin, controls blood sugar levels, and prevents the formation of kidney stones. It's a natural way to detoxify the body, but should be consumed in moderation and under the guidance of a health professional to avoid potential contraindications. Recipe to help clear fat in the liver. Mix 30 milliliters of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 250 milliliters of water. You can drink it at any time. But for the effect of clearing the liver, I prefer to consume it after dinner. Some people like to add ginger to lemon water or spices like cinnamon. That's up to your taste. Remember that these combinations are incredible for your health. Although lemon water is very safe for consumption, it's important to say that there may be some side effects. One of the risks is that the acids in lemon can erode the enamel of your teeth. The secret is to consume lemon water before brushing your teeth, and immediately afterwards, rinse your mouth with pure water to minimize the acidity. Only brush your teeth half an hour after consumption. Recurring candidiasis and fungi. An important issue I want to warn you about is that if you suffer from recurrent candidiasis or are treating a fungal syndrome, you need to be careful with citrus foods like oranges, lemon, and tangerines, as they can hinder the fight against fungi. This happens because when you have fungal growth in the body, your body becomes more sensitive to foods that mold more easily, and lemon is one of those foods. Gastritis. If you have gastritis, lemon water may not be ideal for you, so you should consult your doctor about using it or not. It can help in some cases, but in others it may worsen. This will depend on your gastrointestinal health. But tell us in the comments if you get along well with lemon. If you experience any type of allergy or discomfort with the consumption of lemon water, report it to your trusted health professional. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.